Subaru's wildly successful SUV-inspired Outback has all but vanquished the conventional wagon from the company's lineup. But Subaru is now previewing a new, nearly cladding-free station wagon on the horizon with this new Vizib Tourer concept car. Its size and proportions suggest that it's a replacement for the Levorg, an Impreza-based wagon sold in other markets that uses the same powertrain as the performance-oriented WRX. Unfortunately, that means we aren't likely to see anything of this nature in the United States, but we can dream. The Vizib Tourer's wheelbase and length place it in between the current Levorg and Outback. And its low-slung shape with only minimal black cladding around the wheel wells projects a sleek and athletic stance, especially when compared with the tall, adventurous-looking Outback. A prominent hood scoop connects it to the WRX. The expected Subaru tenets of all-wheel drive and a Boxer engine are on board, although there's no word on powertrain specifics at this point. Presumably the next Levorg, which will transition to the same Subaru global platform underpinnings as the latest Impreza, will look much like this concept. Although Subaru doesn't have the best history with transitioning concept car designs to reality. But it probably won't matter to us Americans anyway, because Subaru has strongly hinted in the past that there's no chance for the Levorg to come here in the foreseeable future.